Ciao a tutti amici di Dahua Italia.
Hello friends of Dahua and welcome. Today we'll be talking about video analysis, which is based on advanced rules that enable us to analyze a scene for its unique characteristics so that we can focus on specific areas of interest. The rules found in the IVS base set include tripwire detection, intrusion detection, and the verification of abandoned and missing items.
Gli oggetti mancanti. Oltre a queste regole.
Beyond this base set, there is a whole series of additional rules, which include scene change, face detection, heat map, and people counting. I always recommend checking our data sheets or contacting our pre-sales support team, as they can help you choose the product that best suits your needs.
Idoneo per la funzione che desiderate ottenere. Possiamo programmare.
We can set up video analysis directly on the camera in standalone mode, or more conveniently on the NVR, which will centralize it all using the Smart Plan protocol. Say for example that we want to monitor movement along a street such as this one. We go to the Events section from the main menu. For the example, we'll choose Channel 4 and add the rule to be created in the IVS package. Then we open the scene by selecting tripwire and clicking on the pencil to edit. We design the tripwire rule by drawing a line that follows the perspective of the scene. And then we can choose which direction to monitor, as well as set the minimum and maximum filter. Something that's very important in order to avoid false alarms is the size filter. Clicking this icon, for example, and setting this minimum size, smaller objects will be ignored and won't trigger an alarm. Then we name the rule and save all the settings.
Salviamo il tutto. Ora che la regola è creata.
Now that the rule has been created, all we need to do is define the actions we want our NVR to take when the rule is triggered. So we go to the activation panel, where, as you can see, we have various alternatives. For example, we email a notification or close the alarm relay outputs that the NVR supports. Or we can activate a TOR or choose to upload the alarm to external devices.
Dispositivi esterni. Infine, definiamo.
Finally, let's set when the rule applies during the week, setting the days and times when the rule needs to be active. Apply the rule and save all the settings. As you can see here, now the live image from our camera shows the line we drew. And when we get an infraction, meaning the tripwire is crossed, it will begin flashing red. Well friends, with that I believe we're done. See you all again for the next Dahua Technology video.
Prossimo video di Dahua Italia.